so wonderful words and address the feeling that I have and I had experienced today. What a life of Harijit. He is a genius, we all know. But to go through his life journey, I wish many people will see this. Harijit is a great artist, great human being, and life is very attached to Harijit. His family was special to Hamid, Amri Hamid, as we call Ranju Venkasuri. They are wonderful. What a thing they have done for me. It will go long way to his. I wish Hariji Shata Ayu. Thank you so much.